Welcome once again to our channel. We are excited to have you on this channel. If you are a returning subscriber, we want to say thank you and welcome again to our channel. And if this is your first time of coming to this channel, we want to say a very big welcome to you. We are happy and excited to have you on this channel, and we want to urge you to subscribe to this channel. Okay, please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so that you will get notification whenever we post valuable video content. Okay, and also I want you to subscribe to our newsletter so that you'll be among the first to get email notifications from us. Okay, we send out email notifications with great content that will help you to grow your business. Okay, this channel is centered on digital marketing. We teach you how to use the internet to grow your business, multiply sales, increase your client and customer base. Okay, so don't miss out by not subscribing to this channel. Rather, we want you to subscribe to this channel so that you will be among those who will benefit from the great and the valuable video contents that we'll be posting on this channel. So once again, we want to say welcome, and in this video we'll be talking about 4 working virtual card platforms in Nigeria you can use to make international payments online. And as a bonus, I'll be showing you, or I'll be explaining to you how to use your Naira card to make international payments online. Now, many people don't know that they can actually use their Naira cards to make international payments online, and I will be explaining to you how you can do that. Okay. Also, if you are not a Nigerian and you are watching this video and you are looking for a virtual card platform you can use to make your payments, okay, now the 4 virtual cards platform I'm going to introduce to you here, some of them extend their services across Nigeria, and if your country happens to be among the countries that they extend their services to, then it will definitely work for you. Okay, so as I review these platforms, all you need to do if you're not a Nigerian is to check out the platforms and see if your country is among the country that they extend their services to. Okay, so before we go into the video, and before I show you everything I want to show you in this video, I know that many of you know what is happening currently. Okay, there are different policies that are being enacted, and these policies are actually affecting a lot of us. Okay, a lot of us are being affected, especially those of us that are that depend on the internet to enhance our business. Now, I run a lot of services that require me to make international payments. Okay, I have hostings to pay for, I have domain names to pay for, I have my Facebook ad, and so many other platforms that I need to pay for my subscription and that of my clients. So recently we had the issue of virtual cards platforms not being able to process payments anymore. Okay, and I know how it can be frustrating because I've been there and I am still in the system. Okay, but you see, there is always alternatives. There's always a way to go around it, and that is what I want to show you in this video. What is really working right now for those of you who have been finding it difficult to make payments with your cards, or who are looking for virtual card payments that they can use to make payments. Okay, so this video is for you. And also I want to plead with you to give us a thumbs up. Okay, give us a thumbs up and comment on this video after watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. All right, so now let's talk about how to use your Naira card to make international payments. Okay, I want to start with the bonus. Now, if you want to use your Naira card to make international payments, it is very, very possible. Now, the average Naira card uses what we call 3D security. Now 3D security has to do with two-factor authentication, whereby they will have to send you an OTP, a one-time pin. Okay, now most Naira cards use such, and most foreign platforms, they don't use such. That is why most times, if you are paying with your Naira card on any Nigerian website, okay, and that website needs that you need to pay with your card, you find out that once you initiate the payment, you will be asked to to enter an OTP, okay, a one-time password or a one-time pin. Okay, now but when you are making payments on some international sites like Facebook, okay, and you will find out that you don't you are not asked to actually enter a one-time password. The payment just goes through. Okay, so that is what most Nigerian banks use. But you see, you can actually use your card to make international payment. And how to go about this is that you need to go to the nearest branch of your bank and meet the customer support or the customer care and tell them that you want to use your Naira card for international payments. You want to enable your card for international payments. Now you will be given a form to fill. Okay, it is called an indemnity form. Okay, you'll be given, or you'll be asked to fill an indemnity form, or you'll be asked to write a letter of authorization permitting the bank to allow international transactions to go through your card. Okay, so now once you do this, after the next 24 hours or 48 hours, when you try to make international payments with your card, it will definitely go through. But mind you, they have monthly limit. Okay, I think the monthly limit is $100. So if you are spending more than $100 on your Naira card, then any payment after you have made complete $100, it will not go through. So that is the monthly limit. So but if the things you're about to pay for online, if they don't sum up to $100, then you can actually go ahead to request for this. Just go to your bank and tell them that you want to be able to make payments with your Naira card, and they will give you an indemnity form or ask you to write a letter of authorization. Okay, now also many of you don't know that some of these banks have their own virtual card. Okay, some of these banks, especially the top tier banks, okay, the top tier banks, they have their own virtual cards, and if you are a customer to these banks, you can actually use their virtual cards to make payments online. Okay, I use their virtual cards to make payment online, and it has been working. And also the virtual card is also linked to your account. Okay, the virtual card is linked to your account, and it means that the money you have in your account is what the virtual card will process. Okay, we use to make its payment. So even though they have their virtual card and their physical card, you still need to request that your card is allowed, or that your card is being allowed to make international payments, and the customer care will put you through. Okay, so this is what you will do for you to start using your Naira card. I have my Naira card and I make use of it for international payment. Now it is also important to understand that they have their different rates. Okay, they have their different rates. So maybe when you go to the bank, you can ask them, but you know that the rate is not fixed. Okay, the rate fluctuates. So this is how you can actually use your Naira card to make international payment. By default, every Naira card is deactivated from processing international payments. Okay, but when you go to the bank and request for your card to be allowed then you'll be asked to fill an indemnity form or write a letter of authorization. Okay, and after that, in the next 24 to 48 hours, your card will start making payments. Okay, so now, having said this, let's go over to the 4 working virtual card platforms in Nigeria you can use to make international payments online. Okay, and this virtual card platform, these platforms allow other African countries. Okay, so if you're watching from outside Nigeria, you can check out the platforms and see if your country is also allowed. Okay, all right, let's go over to our Play Store. Okay, get your phone, open your Play Store. Now I will be recommending, I will be showing you these apps, but I will not go through the process of signing in and then doing all the registrations. Okay, I believe that if you're watching this video, you should know how to um, register on any platform. Okay, and these platforms will require you to either enter your BVN, or they will require you to provide your ID card, so make sure you have a valid ID, or they will require you to provide your proof of address, that is your NEPA bill. Okay, your utility bill. They will require you to provide your utility bill. Now, not all the platforms I'm about to show you will require all these things, but you just need to have them so that in case any of them asks you for them, then you can provide it. Now, the first platform here is called Changera. All right, Changera. As you can see, I already have the app installed in my phone. That is why you are seeing open. Now, Changera is one of the platforms that you can use to make international payments. Okay, it's one of the virtual card platform that is still active. Okay, I still use Changera. Okay, so download Changera and sign up, and then verify your account and request for your own virtual card. They have the dollar virtual card, and they have the Naira virtual card. Okay, and if the dollar does not work, the Naira will work, and if the Naira does not work, the dollar will work. Okay, I use Changera. In fact, I used it recently to make some payments online. Okay, so Changera is one of the platforms, the 4 working virtual cards platform that you can use to make payments. Okay, and I would also appreciate it if you can use our referral code or referral link to sign up. Okay, check the description box. You will see our referral code for all these 4 platforms I'm about to show you, and we'll appreciate it if you use our link. Okay, now the next one here is Cheaper Cash. Okay, I use Cheaper Cash. As you can see, I have the app already in my phone. It's saying update. Okay, I use Cheaper Cash. Their virtual card is working currently. You can use their virtual card to make payment online. Okay, so you can download Cheaper Cash and sign up and complete your registration and request for a card. Okay, and I also appreciate it. I will appreciate it if you use our referral link or referral code. Okay, check the description area, you actually see the link. Okay, so now the fourth one, or the third one, sorry, is Wallet Africa. Okay, Wallet Africa. This is another working virtual card platform that you can use to make international payments. Okay, Wallet Africa. Wallet Africa. This platform has a website too, and their website is wallets.africa. Okay, if you don't sign up with their app, go to their website and sign up. They have both the website version and the app version of their business. Okay, now these 3 I just mentioned are fintech. Okay, they are fintech industries or fintech companies. Okay, and they offer virtual card services, and their services are still working. Okay, now we have our link somewhere around this video, or you can check the description area. Okay, for our link. So Wallet Africa is still very much active, and I use it. Okay, now the fourth one that is still active is Reven. Okay, Reven. Reven is a new bank. Okay, these first three are fintech companies, but Reven is a new bank. Is a bank that does not have um, physical branches. Okay, they operate strictly digitally. So Reven has a virtual card service that is still very active, and you can sign up on the platform, get your accounts verified, and request for a virtual card. So I have accounts with all these platforms, and what I do is that anyone that delays my payment, I switch over to the next one, just to make sure that I don't get fixed, or I don't come to a crossroad where I can't make payments. Okay, so with these four platforms, if you try four of them out, you will definitely find out that if not all, at least one or two of them will work for you. Okay, so take your time to check these platforms I just mentioned: Changera, um, Cheaper Cash, Wallet Africa, and Reven. Okay, download their apps and sign up, and then complete your registration and provide any necessary detail that they ask you to provide, and then request for a virtual card and use it to make your payments online. Okay, don't forget to use our referral link and code. Okay, it is written or is somewhere around the description area. Okay, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because as new changes occur, okay, we will bring you solution on how you can stay in line with the change, and your business will not be strictly or strongly affected. Okay, so I hope you got value from this video, and don't hesitate to drop a comment, and don't forget to also subscribe to our mailing list, and don't forget to also subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up, and feel free to share this video to your friends, and let's help many people who have businesses and payments to make online get this video, so that they can make their payments with ease. So thank you, and see you in our next video.